Hello everyone, welcome to Soil English at Sakar Institute. So, how's everyone? I'm very sure everybody is happy and healthy. And I'm very sure that you are moving ahead in your English journey with strong and solid steps. So, what are we going to do in today's video? Well, again, mostly the videos which I release on Fridays, यहाँ पर हम mostly practice करते हैं like speaking, fine. जो मैं Tuesdays I'm sure people who are following my videos regularly they know that मैं 2 दिन हफ्ते में new videos release करती हूँ. Tuesday को मैं बनाती हूँ जो मेरे वीडियोस होते हैं जिसमें मैं टेंसेस वगैरह या बाकी रूल्स बेसिकली जिसमें हम बिल्कुल बेसिक से हम शुरू करते हैं या बेसिक्स जो बेसिक लर्नर्स हैं उनके लिए स्पेशली वो फोकस्ड रहती है वीडियोस एंड एनीबडी कैन वॉच दोज वीडियोस बिकॉज देयर आई बेसिकली एम्फसाइज अपॉन ग्रामर रूल्स एंड ऑल दैट. फ्राइडे को हम क्या करते हैं, फ्राइडे वी बेसिकली डू द प्रैक्टिस, फाइन. सिर्फ रूल्स याद करके या सिर्फ ग्रामर रट कर तो हम बोलना नहीं सीखेंगे ना. तो हमें बोलना अगर सीखना है तो उसके लिए हमें प्रैक्टिस भी करनी है. So in today's video we take a situation that suppose there is a vacancy in your office, fine. आपके ऑफिस में कोई जॉब वैकेंसी है and you have to tell your friend that if he is interested he can apply for that job. Clear? कि आपके ऑफिस में कोई जॉब है और अगर आपका फ्रेंड इंटरेस्टेड है तो वो अप्लाई कर सकता है. So how do you start? Now let us assume it to be a face-to-face conversation. It can even be a telephonic conversation. Fine, but यहाँ पर हम assume कर रहे हैं कि सामने ही आपका दोस्त है. Hi Manoj, how are you? What's up? Manoj, the other day you were telling me that you were interested in change of job. Actually, you were looking for a job, right? Are you still looking for a job? You know, actually there is a vacancy in my office and I came to know about it yesterday only. And the best part is it suits your profile. It's exactly the same profile that you are working on right now. And my office, as you know, is much closer and than your present office. So it will save you time, it will save you petrol, fine, it will save you money, fine. And the best part is they're offering a better package than your present company, and you even get a chance to travel abroad. So if you want, I can email the manager's address and you can write an email directly to the manager. The best what I think is that the interviews will be held next week and Mr. Chabra, he's a very close friend of mine. He's obviously my senior, but I get along with him very well and he'll be taking the interview. So if you're really interested, I can talk to him about you. Do let me know and all the best. So in this interview, in this video, आपने अपने friend को बताया है that there is a job vacancy in your office and he can apply for it if he's interested. Now we used few sentences like I get along with Mr. Chabra very well. I get along. That means हमारी बहुत अच्छी बनती है. इसको हम किसी और तरह से भी कह सकते हैं. We get along very well with each other. हमारी आपस में बहुत अच्छी बनती है. हमारी आपस में बिल्कुल नहीं बनती है. We don't get along at all. Fine. I don't get along with her at all. मेरी उससे बिल्कुल नहीं बनती है. Fine. So get along का मतलब होता है आपस में बनना. Fine. So that's all for today's class. That's all for today's video. See you in another class. See you in another video. Till then, keep liking and sharing my videos and do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Until then, bye bye.